Hello guys, Noors here. Today I have sad news and cheerful news for Samsung fans. So the cheerful news is Samsung preparing to launch a cheaper 4G version of the Galaxy S21 FE, which might be called either Galaxy S21 FE Lite or Galaxy S21 FE 4G. The phone will be powered by Snapdragon 720G, which explains why the phone would be cheaper, because it's not that good of a processor. 64-inch Full HD Plus display and 8GB of RAM, 256GB of storage, and the cameras will be 12MP wide angle, 12MP ultra wide, and 8MP telephoto, and the selfie camera is 32MP. The battery will be 4500 mAh with graphite gray color. These are the potential specs of the phone, nothing confirmed yet. The release will be late June in some countries and July or August in others. And Samsung plan to release it in the US, Europe, and maybe Korea. So that was the happy news, but now is the sad news time. If you guys can recall the Galaxy Note 7, yes, the phone that explodes. In that time, Samsung had a huge problem with their phone battery, which made the Galaxy Note 7 burn up to the point it explodes. So Samsung had to make a global recall, which made a big damage to the company. Samsung had to come up with an idea to heal the damage. So there was the born of the Samsung Galaxy FE series, aka Fan Edition. After the Galaxy Note 7 FE, we didn't get any Galaxy FE phones. Until Samsung launched the Galaxy S20 series, the phone was the highest price on the market back then. So after a while, Samsung launched the Galaxy S20 FE with the key features but in a more affordable price. And the last year launched the Galaxy S21 FE, but the sales of these phones weren't so good, so apparently there won't be a Galaxy S22 FE. And there are rumors saying that this is the end of the FE series. Samsung will cancel this phone just like the Galaxy Note series. I didn't like the FE series in the first place because it's supposed to be a Galaxy S, which means it's a high-end phone, but the idea of high-end phone with a plastic back didn't come together exactly like the Galaxy Note 20. It didn't get that much of attention, but I fell in love with the S20 FE colors. That's why I'm still sad even though I didn't like the phone. But guys, let me know what's your opinion in the comment section down below. That's it for today guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.